Imagine a world where every tool you use makes your job easier, faster, and way more fun. Well, in 2025, that world is here. Let me show you 30 amazing next-level tools on Amazon that you need to see to believe. Cordless laser distance measurer. Gone are the days of pulling out a bulky tape measure and trying to get an accurate reading. With the cordless laser distance measure, all you have to do is point, click, and voila, a perfect, ultra-precise reading every time. Imagine you're setting up your living room for a new couch or measuring for new furniture in your office. Instead of struggling to hold a tape taut across the room, this tool gives you measurements instantly and effortlessly. It's incredibly accurate, fast, and the kind of tool that makes any project go smoothly. From home renovations to DIY tasks, this measurer is your trusty companion for flawless dimensions. Smart screwdriver with torquey control. Picture yourself working on a project, adjusting screws with ease. No more worrying about over-tightening. The smart screwdriver with torquey control makes that possible. It automatically adjusts the torque based on the task, ensuring the screws are tightened just right. Even better, it remembers your previous settings, so when you switch between projects, you're always ready to go. Whether you're assembling furniture, building a deck, or fixing appliances, this screwdriver adapts to your needs, making your work more efficient and precise. It's the perfect tool to take your DIY skills to the next level, making every project smoother. Cordless electric paint sprayer. Imagine tackling a huge painting project without the mess or time it takes with a brush. The cordless electric paint sprayer is here to make that dream a reality. It covers large areas quickly and evenly, ensuring a smooth, streak-free finish every time. Whether you're repainting your house, touching up furniture, or applying a new coat to your fence, this tool saves you hours of work while delivering professional results. With its cordless design, you can take it anywhere. No need for extension cords or bulky equipment. This sprayer is a game changer for anyone looking to paint quickly and efficiently. Digital laser level with Bluetooth. Straight lines have never been easier to achieve. The digital laser level with Bluetooth ensures your projects are aligned perfectly, whether you're hanging shelves, installing a backsplash, or laying tile. The digital display gives you precise readings. And with Bluetooth integration, you can monitor your progress directly from your phone. You'll never struggle with manual adjustments or second-guess your measurements again. Imagine working on your renovation, confidently knowing everything is exactly where it should be. With this tool, precision is at your fingertips, making your projects more professional and your work easier. Heavy-duty cordless drill with built-in light. Picture working in those dark, tight spaces under the sink or deep inside your garage, where shadows always seem to hide the area you need to drill. Enter the heavy-duty cordless drill with a built-in light. This drill is powerful enough for any project, from home repairs to larger construction tasks, but it also lights up the space, so you never lose sight of your work. With multiple speed settings and the ability to handle tough materials like metal or concrete, this drill is as versatile as it is powerful. Plus, the built-in light ensures that no task is too dark to complete. Compact cordless angle grinder. Cutting through metal, grinding rust, or polishing your car's bumper used to mean lugging around a heavy, bulky grinder. But with the compact cordless angle grinder, you get all the power of a traditional grinder without the bulk. Its compact design lets you work in tighter spaces, and the cordless feature means you can take it anywhere. Imagine easily grinding through tough surfaces or buffing a piece of metal to a mirror finish, all with a tool that fits in your hand like a glove. It's a small powerhouse that will save you time and energy while still delivering professional results. Self-leveling laser measure tape. Need to measure and level at the same time? The self-leveling laser measure tape is the perfect two-in-one tool. This combines the functionality of a laser level and a traditional measuring tape, so you can measure distances and ensure your work is level in one simple step. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelves, or working on any project that requires accuracy, this tool saves you tons of time. Forget about juggling multiple tools or measuring twice. It's all done in one quick, easy step with this efficient, self-leveling device. Magnetic tool holder. The chaos of a cluttered workspace is a thing of the past with the magnetic tool holder. Simply mount this tool strip on your wall, and instantly you've got a convenient, organized place to hang your tools. Wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, all of your essential tools are right where you need them, so you can grab them in an instant and keep working. No more digging through drawers or toolboxes to find the one thing you need. With everything within reach, your workspace stays neat and your productivity soars. It's a small addition that makes a big difference. Smart LED work light with app control. Have you ever worked late into the night, wishing you could adjust the light in your workspace without getting up? With the smart LED work light, you can control your workspace's lighting right from your phone. Whether you're working outdoors in the garage or just need extra light for detailed tasks, this app-controlled light is perfect. You can adjust brightness, color temperature, and even set schedules, all with the touch of a button. It's a modern solution for the modern DIYer, offering comfort and efficiency to your projects, even in the darkest spaces. Cordless reciprocating saw. When it comes to heavy-duty cutting, you want a tool that's versatile and easy to handle. The cordless reciprocating saw is just that. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, plastic, or pipes, this saw delivers power and mobility. Its cordless design allows you to work freely without worrying about tangled cords or limited reach. Perfect for demolition, home repairs, or even some weekend projects, this saw makes quick work of tough materials. It's lightweight, easy to use, and built for those times when you need to get through something quickly and efficiently. High-power cordless air blower. After a big project, there's always that moment of frustration when debris, sawdust, or leaves are scattered everywhere. The high-power cordless air blower changes that instantly. With its lightweight design and powerful airstream, you can clear your workspace, driveway, or yard in no time. Imagine blowing away sawdust from your workbench or clearing leaves from your driveway. No more using a broom or bulky vacuum. It's small enough to store away easily, but powerful enough to handle even the messiest cleanups. Whether you're in the workshop or outdoors, this tool is perfect for quick, efficient cleaning. Cordless heat gun with adjustable temperature. From stripping old paint to loosening bolts, the cordless heat gun with adjustable temperature is an incredibly versatile tool. You can fine-tune the heat to your exact requirements, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Need to remove stubborn paint from your walls? Or perhaps you're working with heat shrink tubing on electrical projects? This tool does it all. Its cordless design ensures you have full mobility, whether you're working indoors, outdoors, or in tight spaces. Adjust the temperature, point it at your task, and let the heat do all the work for you. Precision cordless electric screwdriver. Small, detailed tasks can often be the most challenging, especially when it comes to screws that require delicate handling. Enter the precision cordless electric screwdriver. Perfect for assembling electronics, furniture, or any intricate work, this tool allows you to drive screws with pinpoint accuracy. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, so it fits into small spaces where a larger drill can't reach. Whether you're putting together a model airplane or tightening screws on delicate electronics, this tool makes detailed work much easier with enough power to get the job done right. Heavy-duty cordless impact wrench. If you've ever dealt with stubborn bolts or nuts that won't budge, you know how exhausting it can be. The heavy-duty cordless impact wrench is here to save the day. It delivers high torque with a quick burst, making it perfect for automotive repairs or construction work. Forget about struggling with manual tools. Just pull the trigger, and you'll have the power to loosen or tighten even the most stubborn fasteners. It's cordless for ultimate freedom, meaning you can work anywhere. Whether you're under the car, on a job site, or deep in a construction project. Multifunctional power toolkit. One tool to rule them all. The Multifunctional Power Tool Kit is your one-stop solution for a variety of jobs. Need to cut, sand, or polish? This tool does it all, with multiple attachments that let you switch between tasks seamlessly. Whether you're working on a home improvement project, crafting, or repairing something, this versatile kit will be your go-to. It's lightweight, powerful, and designed for efficiency, making it ideal for small spaces where you need to get a lot of work done without multiple bulky tools. A true multitasker that makes any project a breeze. Digital torque wrench with LCD display. When working with high-torque applications, accuracy is everything. The digital torque wrench with an LCD display ensures that every bolt is tightened to perfection. Whether you're working on a car, machinery, or assembling furniture, this tool makes it easy to get precise readings every time. The LCD display clearly shows the torque level, helping you avoid over-tightening or under-tightening. This tool gives you confidence that you're applying the exact amount of pressure required for the job. It's an essential tool for anyone who values precision and wants to keep their work safe and secure. Cordless electric chainsaw. Trimming branches, cutting firewood, or clearing overgrown yard debris doesn't have to be a struggle. The cordless electric chainsaw makes these tasks easier and more efficient. Its lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering, while the powerful motor ensures you can cut through branches and logs with ease. Unlike traditional gas chainsaws, there's no need for constant refueling, and it's far quieter, making it perfect for residential areas. Whether you're working on your garden or dealing with fallen trees after a storm, this chainsaw is the ultimate tool to handle your outdoor tasks quickly and effectively. Modular Tool Organizer System. If your workshop is cluttered and disorganized, it can make every project a challenge. The Modular Tool Organizer System brings order to the chaos. With customizable compartments, it allows you to arrange and store all your tools exactly how you need them. You can create a personalized setup for wrenches, screwdrivers, nails, and more, keeping everything within easy reach. No more digging through drawers to find that elusive tool. Everything is right where it belongs, making your workspace more efficient and your projects more enjoyable. LED magnetic pickup tool. We've all been there. Dropped a screw, bolt, or small metal part, and it's just out of reach. The LED magnetic pickup tool is your solution. With its bright LED light and powerful magnet, it allows you to retrieve small metal items from tight, dark spaces. Whether you're working under a car, inside a cabinet, or in a cluttered workshop, this tool ensures you can get those small parts without frustration. The light guides you right to the spot, and the magnet pulls it all in with ease. It's the perfect addition to any toolbox for saving time and hassle. High-speed cordless drill with brushless motor. Imagine drilling through thick wood, metal, or even concrete with ease. No cord to slow you down. The high-speed cordless drill with a brushless motor is designed for heavy-duty tasks that require both power and longevity. The brushless motor ensures longer battery life, improved efficiency, and reduced wear, meaning this drill can handle more work longer without losing power. Whether you're building a deck, working on a home renovation, or assembling heavy furniture, this drill gives you the speed and strength you need to get the job done without the frustration of corded tools. Smart laser level with Bluetooth. Precision is key in any project, and the smart laser level with Bluetooth makes leveling easier than ever. Gone are the days of adjusting a manual level every time you need to check your line. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can sync the level to your phone and monitor your project remotely, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned with no extra hassle. Whether you're hanging shelves, framing a room, or installing cabinets, this tool gives you accurate readings and precise control at your fingertips. The future of leveling is here, and it's smarter and more efficient than ever. Cordless jigsaw with adjustable speed. For anyone who needs to make precise, curved cuts, the cordless jigsaw with adjustable speed is a must-have tool. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to work in tight spaces, and the adjustable speed gives you complete control over the cut. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or plastic, the jigsaw ensures a smooth, clean cut every time. The cordless feature makes it easy to move around your workspace without being tethered to an outlet, and the adjustable speed lets you tackle different materials with ease. It's the perfect tool for anyone who values both precision and convenience. 4K Smart Inspection Camera. Have you ever needed to peer into a hard-to-reach space like inside a wall, pipe, or vent? The 4K Smart Inspection Camera is the perfect solution. With high-definition 4K resolution, you get crystal-clear footage of places you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. It connects to your phone, giving you live visuals of areas that are hidden from view. Whether you're inspecting plumbing, checking wiring behind drywall, or looking into a vent, this camera helps you find problems without the mess or destruction. It's the perfect tool for detailed inspections and saving time on repairs. Cordless air compressor. Tired of hauling around a bulky air compressor that needs a power outlet? The cordless air compressor is your answer. Compact, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for inflating tires, sports balls, or air mattresses. Whether you're on a road trip and need to top off your tires, or you're prepping for a camping trip and need to inflate your air mattress, this compressor ensures you're never left without air. It's easy to use and small enough to carry in your car or keep in your garage, making it the ideal tool for both emergencies and everyday use. Power tool organizer with charging station. If you're like most DIYers, you've accumulated a collection of tools over time. Keeping everything organized and charged can be a challenge, but the power tool organizer with a charging station solves that. This innovative storage solution not only holds your tools in neatly, but it also has dedicated slots for charging your cordless tools, ensuring they're always ready to go. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this organizer keeps your workspace tidy, your tools charged, and your projects running smoothly. It's the ultimate way to stay organized while keeping your tools powered up and ready for action. Cordless electric sander, perfect for smoothing out rough surfaces, preparing for paint, or restoring furniture. The cordless electric sander is an essential tool for any DIYer or professional. With its lightweight, ergonomic design, you can easily control the sander and move it across your project without worrying about cords getting in the way. It's perfect for furniture restoration, car detailing, or any job that requires a smooth, even finish. Whether you're tackling a small repair or a full-on renovation, this tool makes the job quicker and less exhausting. Say goodbye to hand sanding and hello to smooth, flawless surfaces in less time. Bluetooth cordless drill driver. Kit. For the tech-savvy DIYer, the Bluetooth cordless drill driver kit is a game changer. Not only does it allow you to drill and drive screws with ease, but it also syncs with your phone to track usage, performance, and even battery life. This innovative kit gives you real-time data on your tool's performance, so you can monitor how much work you've done and when it's time to recharge. Whether you're working on a project around the house or on the job site, this Bluetooth-enabled tool ensures you stay on top of your tasks, all while offering the power and precision you need to get the job done. Smart robotic floor scrubber. Cleaning floors is usually a time-consuming and exhausting task, but with the smart robotic floor scrubber, it becomes effortless. This intelligent machine not only vacuums your floors, but also scrubs them, leaving your space spotless without you having to lift a finger. It maps out your entire floor plan, detects areas that need extra cleaning, and adjusts its movements accordingly for a thorough scrub. Whether it's for your home or office, this robotic scrubber does all the hard work for you. Just set it and let it go. It's like having your own personal cleaning assistant on standby. Smart power tool with touchscreen control. Imagine controlling your power tools with the swipe of a finger. The smart power tool with a touchscreen control panel lets you do just that. Whether you're drilling, cutting, or sanding, this tool allows you to adjust settings and monitor usage in real time via the touchscreen. It even provides maintenance reminders, ensuring your tool stays in top condition. This futuristic tool not only increases efficiency, but also ensures precision with every task. Whether you're working on a home renovation or a professional construction site, you'll have full control over your work, taking the guesswork out of every project. Cordless laser engraver. Engraving has never been so easy and precise. The cordless laser engraver lets you create stunning designs, logos, and artwork on wood, metal, or plastic, all with high precision. It's portable, easy to use, and provides clean, sharp engravings every time. Whether you're personalizing gifts, or creating custom artwork, or starting your own engraving business, this tool gives you the freedom to work on the go. No cords to worry about, and it's as powerful as it is convenient. The future of custom engraving is here, and it's all in this one compact, powerful tool. So, which of these next-level tools are you adding to your wish list for 2025? Drop your favorites in the comments below. If you were blown away by these gadgets, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tool roundups. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.